Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best cars and auto WordPress theme that you can find on the internet. So if you are looking forward to creating a car dealership website or a car rentals or a car sales website or maybe a car listing website, and you're looking for the best theme that you can use, I'm going to be sharing with you the themes that you can use. Now, I might be mentioning car, but these themes also work well even if you are looking forward to create a website for maybe motorbikes, aircraft, boats, or trucks, or maybe you want to create a website for machinery repair, car part sales, or car repair service. Okay, you can see all of these things circles around cars and autos. All right, so all the things I'm going to be sharing with you will cut across different niches of different kinds of autos, different kinds of cars, truck, boats, and the likes. Okay, so do make sure you watch the video to the end. And all the links to the theme I'll be sharing with you, I'll leave them in the description of the video so that you can easily check them out. All right. And let me know in the comment section, what kind of website are you looking forward to create? Is it a car dealership? Or is it a car sales? Is it a car listing or auto repair? Are you creating a website for aircraft, for boats, for trucks? So let me know all of this in the comment section. All right. So before we get started, if you are here to subscribe to the channel or if you are new here, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, right? So thank you very much if you have just done that. If you are still here to subscribe, go ahead right now, click on that subscribe button. So without wasting time, let's head over to the themes. So the first theme on our list is called Motors. So you can see this is a car dealer rentals and listing WordPress theme. In fact, this is one of the favorites, and it's more like an all-in-one WordPress theme. Okay. So once you come on this page or any other theme I'll be sharing with you, if you want to go ahead with purchasing the theme, so you're going to see this option here, add to cart. So go ahead and click on add to cart. Once you do that, you'll be directed to a page where you are going to be logging in. If you don't have an account, you're going to create an account. It's very much easy to create accounts. Just you can also log in with your or create an account with that with your Facebook or with your email. So once you have done that, you'll be able to purchase the theme, which will give you access to download the theme files that you are going to upload to your WordPress website, and then you can continue with your website creation. The step is pretty much easy, but if you need any help or with that, just let me know in the comment section. All right. So now let's continue and explore motors. So now for this theme now, like you can see here, this is a theme that works with Elementor Page Builder and it also works with WP Bakery. All right. So let's go ahead and see some of the features for this particular theme. And I also need to mention that all of these themes I'll be recommending with you, they come with demo. Okay, so let me show you the demos for this particular one. Now, the meaning of those demo are pre-built websites, like you can see it here. They are actually website that has been pre-built. So what you just need is, if you check out the demo and you see anyone that fits the kind of website you want to create, you can just go ahead and purchase the theme, and then it will give you access to that demo. Okay, so that demo is a complete website that you just import into your own website and then change the informations, maybe the name, the logo, the contact information, the about us information, and then your site is ready. Okay, so now if you look at this demo now, they sort it out based on if you want to create a dealership website, this is a demo for you. If you want to have a listing website, so you can see it here, there's a demo for listing, there's a demo for rentals, and then every other thing that has to do with cars. You can see for auto parts, repair, car magazine. All right, and if you want to check out everything, okay, so you can see these are the demos. So that's one of the selling points of all of these things that I'll be sharing with you. The demos are looking very clean, looking professionals, like you can like you can see here. Okay, so this is a demo. If you are looking forward to create a boat dealership, if you are looking forward to create aircraft, you can see there's a demo already for aircraft, car magazine, car repair service. And if you want to see the full feature of any of this demo, just click on it to open it, and you're going to see all the pages. All right, now you can see this is for trucks and heavy duty equipment. So I can't open all the demos right now so that the video will not be too long. But so apart from the demos, you can see other features for this particular theme called motors. So these are the other pages, how they look like. Advanced search filter. So those are the features of this theme. So if you scroll down to these pages, you are going to see some other features that this theme actually offers. Okay, so that's the first one that I'm recommending. It is called motors. Again, the link will be in the description. You can also check this out. All right, so the next on our list is called Vehicle. So this is also a car dealer and listing WordPress theme. So you can see build a successful automotive website. All right, it comes highly recommendable. So let's check out some of the features for this theme now. So let's start with the demo. Okay, so you can see here are the demos for this particular theme. So this is for car dealer. This is a modern video home page. That means this hero section is having a video. Okay. All right. So this is what some of the other pages looks like for this particular theme, and this is what the contact page look like. You have the about us. If you want to add a blog section, this is what it can look like. All right. And to also have loan calculator. Okay, if you want to also see sold FAQ page, this is what it looks like. All right, so all of these features makes it easy for you to create your own kind of website. And if you also want to use this theme for listing, all right, so these are the other demo for listing. So apart from using it for car dealership or car sales, if you want to just use it as a listing website, you can also do that using this theme called Vehica. All right, so again, there are also other features for this theme. If you're on this page, you can also check that out. So this is the second one, Vehica, right? So now let's move to the third one. So the third one is car dealer. So at least you can see the first three has to do with car dealership and car sales. All right. This is an automotive responsive WordPress theme. Now this theme, again, this particular theme works with Elementor Page Builder and WP Bakery. So let's check out some of the demos. All right. So if you look at here, you see that these are the demos, 17 preview layouts. All right, so these are all the demos. This is a demo for electric cars. If you want to use these, okay. So all the demos, they have the Elementor version and the WP Bakery version. So depending on the page builder that you're familiar with, you can check out some of this demo. All right, so you can see they are well designed. And if, for example, now if you also notice that for this particular demo now, they are mostly red, white, and black. If this is not your color, you can still go ahead and use it. There's an option within WordPress that you can just change the color once and it will change across the entire website. Okay, so you can also check this out. It comes with great review and different customization option, different layouts. You can see 6 lead generation form. If you want to generate leads, there are different ways to do that. If you also want to sell online, you can say sell online with WooCommerce. So maybe you want your client or your customer to be able to, purchase the car directly online without the need to come in to your office or your store. You can also do that from your website. Okay, so here is car dealer. This is another thing that comes highly recommendable. Okay, so let's move to the next one. The next one is called automotive car dealership business WordPress theme. Now this theme is ideal for car dealership or car listing. Okay, so let me show you what the demo looks like. All right, so this is one of the sites. You can see it here. This is looking more minimalistic or more simple kind of website. So if this is something that you like, you can also check this out. Okay, so this is the demo site for this particular theme, right? So guys, if you are finding value in this, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know what you think so far with all the themes that we've looked at so far. So away from car dealership or car sales, so this is for car repair. So you can see car repair service and auto mechanic WordPress theme. Okay, so for this now, this also works with Elementor Page Builder. So let me show you what the demo looks like. So you can see it here. It has 2 demos. So this is the first one and the second one. All right, so if you just click here, you can have the entire view of what the demo page looks like. So one-click installation, pre-made color variants, so variation, so estimate calculator, slick slider, WooCommerce, WPM, it supports multilingual. All right, so and many other features like you can see a Google Fonts, SEO friendly, mobile support, and then online support. So if you are looking forward to creating a car repair websites, then this is a theme for you. All right, and it's quite affordable. This is for $39. All right, so let's move to the next one. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinger to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinger is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are 3 plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three package. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay. And remember, you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25. And in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here you see your summary here. Now the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. So guys, welcome back. Now, next on our list is called auto parts. Now, this is for parts selling. If you want to be selling auto parts, car parts, auto parts in general, this is a theme for you. Now, let's look at the demos. All right. And this work with Elementor and WP Bakery. So you can see here are the demos. It has 5 demos exactly. 5. But you need to take note, this is the only one that works with Elementor Page Builder. So this other 4 was made with WP Bakery. All right, so you need to take note of that. So that basically those are the things that you need to take note of when choosing a particular theme, and you want to use a demo. You have to make sure that it is built with a page builder you are familiar with. Okay. All right, so this is to let you see that this particular theme, AutoPart, was used to create this website. You can see this powertune.cc, toweraudio.com.au. So you can also check out this website. It was built using this particular theme. That's to tell you what you can achieve using this theme. So there is a blog section with different layouts that you get with this theme. Okay, advanced inner pages. So these are the inner pages, what it looks like. All right. And then, okay, easy editing and customization option. All right. So it also supports all of these plugins: Slider Revolution, Essential Grid, Contact from 7, ThemeRex, MailChimp, WooCommerce, WP Bakery, and then Elementor Page Builder. So guys, if you are looking into car parts, here is a theme for you. All right. So you can also check out Auto Parts. Then for those interested in car rentals, all right, so this is a theme specifically for car rental service. So you can see this works with Elementor Page Builder. All right, so let's go ahead and explore this. So these are the demo. So this is the first demo. This is the second demo. I think it has about 4 demos. All right, so this is for basically for car rentals. So if you want to go into car renting service, so you can see what the demos actually look like. Okay, so Just like every other theme that we've looked at, it also offers WooCommerce ready, friendly support, mega menu builder, header and footer builder. You can see one page and multiple page. So if you want to use just a single page for your car rental website, or you want to have multiple page, you can achieve that using this theme. Okay, so that is it on car rental WordPress theme. It's available to you for $59. So the link to it will be in the description of this video. Next, we have Ultrix. This is for car service and auto mechanic. All right, so more like another WordPress repair theme for cars and autos. Okay, so you can see it here, car repair and auto service. So let me show you what the demos looks like. So this comes with 20 demos, so you can see it here. So you can pick from any of this demo, or you can, if you are creative with WordPress, you can just create your own entire website from scratch. But if you want to save, time and just make use of this demo, so these are the demos that are available to you. All right, so here is a theme for those into car service and auto mechanic. Next on our list is called Aqualine. So this is for car wash. So if you are looking forward to a car washing website with booking system, now this is an all-in-one website for that. All right, so you can go ahead and make use of this theme to create your car washing service website. Okay, so lastly on our list, we have car service. Now, this is another mechanic and auto repair WordPress theme. So if you check out this, now this is a demo site. It has about 2 styles. So you can also just over between the two. You can choose between the two. You can see this is very simple, straightforward, clean, minimalist kind of website. And I like the fact that the images looks real. Okay, so these are not looking more like stock photos. Okay, all right. So there, here you can list your services. There's a separate page for all your service, all the services that you offer rather. Okay, so these are other pages. If you want to check out what the gallery page looks like, our team, the pages, the about us page, if you want to see what they look like, the contact, there are 2 contact style for your contact us page, and you can also have a shop page. Maybe as you offer car service or car repair, you also want to have a shop page where people can buy some car related products, so you can also have an online store within your WordPress site. So guys, I've taken you through 10 themes so far. Let me know what you think. We looked at mottos for your car dealership or rental or listing. Now, this is actually my favorite out of in terms of car dealership, because it has a whole lot of professional looking demo that you can actually work with. So here is another one, vehicle. Okay, and then we also look at car dealer. This is another car dealership WordPress theme for autos. We also looked at this theme, automotive car dealership. We look at car repair. This is for car repair, and this is for car rentals. If you are looking for to rental, this is for auto parts. If you're also into repair, this is another one for auto repair. Okay, so if you're having challenge with which theme you should pick, the first thing you need to consider is what kind of website are you creating. Okay, are you creating a car dealership for sales? Are you creating it for rentals? Are you creating a car parts or auto sales? Okay, and then you also need to look at, do you want to create your website from scratch, or you want to make use of the demos that this theme offers? Okay, so those are the things that you also need to look at when picking any of these themes. So I can't actually tell you that you should go for this theme, because I'm not sure the kind of website you want to create. But once you look at the price, you look at the demo, you look at the kind of page builder that was used, and if the demo used the page builder that you're familiar with, those are the things you need to consider, and then the features of that particular theme. Okay, so guys, I hope you find value in all of this. Again, I'll leave a link to all this theme in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to check out Hostinja. If you are yet to get hosting, consider getting Hostinja so that you can take advantage of the 73% discounts that Hostinja is currently offering, plus the free domain you are going to be getting. I'll leave the link to that in the description of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and let me know what kind of auto and car dealership website you're looking forward to create. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.